Alright, hello boys and girls, welcome to Heroes Homeschool Academy. This is week number 36 of grade 4 science. We're going to be talking about how to make soap today, which is a fun way to appreciate the reason we've got to study chemistry. So all through the year, we've been talking about all these chemical compounds and all these different scientific names and things like that. What is the practical application? Well, one practical application of all these things we've been studying is how to make soap. Do you know that soap that we use to wash our bodies and dishes and clean our homes actually come from chemicals? Oh yeah. Soap is made from oil, caustic soda, what you can call lye, or sodium hydroxide, and distilled water. And sometimes they put things like fragrance oils and colorants in there, but these three chemicals over here, they're going to form your soap for you. You mix them all together, you're going to form soap, but it is very dangerous. So I'm not going to be asking you right now to make soap all by yourself because you require some safety equipment to make soap. You need safety goggles, you need gloves, you need your shirt to cover your arms because if this thing were to spill on you, it may burn you. So we don't want to do that. You need a well-ventilated area. So the whole idea of this lesson is not necessarily for you to go ahead and try to make soap all by yourself. It is to give you an idea of how useful our study of science is going to be. So imagine you not having soap. You're going to be all dirty. You can't wash your body, you can take a bath, you can clean your dishes, right? But with soaps, then we can do all of those. So study in science is important. We got to understand how all these things work, and that's the reason I wanted to wrap up the year with a practical application of science, which is how to make soap. All right, so you're welcome right now to turn to page number 73, and do not try to make soap all by yourself. It's just for you to understand a practical application of how the study of science can be to us in our lives. All right. So I want to thank you, boys and girls, for joining me today. Remember, God cares about you, and so do we. Bye-bye.
I'll be your hero's buddy, and as you study with heroes born, I will be your friend. So don't you